Good morning, boys and girls. Today, you're going to need your math book, the I Can Build an Equation page that has the numbers 4, 3, and 1 on it, and the page 3, 1, and 2. So it has pictures of balloons and leaves. These two pages are in your packet from last week. We were supposed to do this on Friday, but since we had you can probably see me in my Zoom camera. Since we had a snow day on Friday, we did not do this. So we are making up for it today. The 3 on the page are all the same, so I just went ahead and I cut the top one off. Okay? I put my scissors away like I was done with them. We are going to, I'm going to use the balloon one first, okay? Let's use the balloon one first. I'm going to do the first one, but then after we cut it out, I want you to do the second one by yourself and then use the video to check your answer. Okay? All right. So I cut around the outside. Now I'm going to cut the heading off the I can statement. It says, let me see it. Oh. I can build an equation. And remember, an equation is just a fancy word for math problem. We are building a math problem. All right. I put my symbols in one pile and my numbers in another pile. All right. I know that equals means my answer goes after it, so I put my equals there. I know that this sign needs to go in between some numbers. But look at this sign. Do you remember what kind of sign that is? Is that a plus sign or a subtraction sign? It's a subtraction sign, right. And when we subtract, do we hug things together or do we break them apart? We break them apart, you're right. So, I want to know what equation I can make if I start with a number but I break some apart, what my answer is. Okay? This one says 1, but look at my balloon. It has an X on it. Can I start my equation with a balloon that has an X on it when these ones don't have X's on it? I think because my subtraction sign means I break things apart or take things away, I think that this means that I'm taking one balloon away. So let's see. If I start with 2 balloons and I take 1 balloon away, do I get 3 balloons? If I start with 2 and I take 1 away, do I still have 3 balloons? No, I don't have 3 balloons that way. Let's switch the 2 and 3 and let's see. If I start with 3 balloons and I take 1 away, am I left with 2 balloons? If I start with 3, I take 1 away, am I left with 2? You're right, I am. So I'm going to slide my numbers up here in my equation, make them fit on my page. I know they fit. And then I can glue them in. All right, I built a subtraction equation. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Good job. Okay, let's cut out our I can build an equation using leaves this time. And then I want you to pause the video and you try to figure it out. What could the equation be? So let's cut out our I can statement that says I can build an equation. Put that on our page. And then our numbers, our symbols, a number, a symbol, a number. Okay. Remember, my subtraction sign goes between 2 numbers, and then my equal sign is around the answer. go. I'm going to line them up. All right. You pause the video and try to find the answer. All right, guys. Did you find the answer? Did you say 4 minus 1 equals, whoops, I'm wrong. I said 4 minus 1 equals 3. Is that right? 4 minus 1 equals 3. That's right. If I have 4 and I take 1 away, how many fingers am I holding up? I still have 3 fingers up. So if you did this equation, you're not wrong. But look at our picture. There's X's on these 3 leaves. And usually when we draw a picture and we draw that we're taking something away, because I can't really draw taking away, I put an X over my picture. My X over my picture isn't going to be in my answer. It's going to be what I'm taking away. So if you did 4 minus 1 equals 3, you're not wrong. That's right. 4 minus 1 does equal 3. But I also have to look at my picture, and my picture is saying that I take 3 away. So if I have 4 and I take away 3, how many leaves am I left with? I'm left with 1 leaf. You are right. So we just put this one here because we have the X over the picture, and that means that we're taking it away. Great job building a subtraction equation. You guys are so smart, Kizzy Brains. Oh, so smart. Thank you for mathing with me, and I hope that you have a great day.